Auntie Patricia?
Yeah.
What video was she in?
In the Buzzy Bee video.
In the Buzzy Bee video? Okay.
Not
Well,
everyone can see it.
everybody will have to check that out.
Not
So is this a special birdhouse because Auntie Patricia got it for you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a fin with the. You almost think it's about Valentine's house. Got the heart on the front. Birds can't even fit for that.
No, but you feed the birds. And you can put bird seed in it.
Nice. So are you guys ready to paint these birdhouses?
Barely my finger doesn't have to. I'm going.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, you guys ready to start painting?
Yeah, I started. Ha ha ha.
Is yours gonna be a polka dot house, Glenn?
No.
No.
Why is it red?
Because the color inside the paint is red.
So if you want a different color, you could
I picked
put it in
purple.
the water. Oh, I guess that one doesn't do.
It comes with paint inside it.
Oh yeah, it comes with paint inside, girl. So if you want to do a different color, Fiona, you just dip it in there and then you rub the excess paint on here.
No, Gwen, that's not a brush.
Baby, only this is a brush.
I don't want my color.
There you go.
There you go. Good job.
All right. All right, Fiona, what color are we starting with? Ooh, are you the turquoise roof? That looks beautiful.
Very nice.
That's okay.
Very nice, baby.
Good job, Tegan.
This piece is tough when look, I can cover it with the paint, right?
Yeah.
Beautiful, girls.
I actually kind of like the red blending into it. I may actually use
Yeah.
that.
Very nice.
Can I see one?
Red blending in.
Oh, that looks nice. It looks fuchsia.
Beautiful job, girls.
Very good, Fiona. And make sure you dry it on the napkin, okay? Good job.
Yeah, she likes to mix colors, which is why they have their own card.
And I dab lots of red on it.
I was silly. I should have bought a birdhouse too, and I could have made one too.
Yeah.
But you can open these.
Aw.
Guys, are you so excited for Auntie Patricia's wedding?
It's in a couple days.
You guys are all gonna be in it. That's pretty exciting
Three flower
too.
girls right over here. They're gonna look fabulous.
3 beautiful, beautiful flowers.
Whoa!
Oh
Look
yeah.
how good this looks.
That looks really, really good. It looks tie dye a little bit.
My shirt's tied.
I know. I like it. You got like a tie dye theme
Wait,
going.
what if I add blue into it? I don't think it's gonna look good, will it?
I don't either, but
It's your birdhouse though.
exactly.
Do what you want.
See where the art inspires you.
I love.
How you doing, Tegan?
She's doing her own thing.
Oh, nice.
That's a baby thing going. Ah! But actually, the blue and purple looks very good.
No, yeah, she mixes colors beautiful. Good job, you guys.
Wow, baby. Yours is so beautiful.
I need turquoise to make.
Wow, we got some
Real artists
color mixing
here.
there. I love it.
I did.
Nice. You even painted your canvas.
Wow, that's a lot of. I like your sparkly roof, Gwen.
Look at mine.
Wow, you got a sparkly roof too. That's.
And look on
I
the
like
other
all the
side.
colors.
Right? She did a great mix of colors.
I like all your color blocking.
Me too. Time's up.
Time's up.
I gotta get in.
Be careful.
Oh my
Stuck
goodness,
in
you're
there.
trying to paint inside?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
She's painted most of the inside purple.
Wow, impressive.
Thanks. Ay,
see how everybody's birdhouses turned out. Fiona, how did your birdhouse turn out?
This side is red and this side is turquoise.
Oh, can you pick it up by the handle and turn it so that we could see?
Wow.
It's beautiful.
It is
Okay.
gorgeous.
How did Gwen's turn out?
Stay in your seat.
Oh, yeah. Yum, yum, yum. Here's mine. Just kidding. Here's mine.
Wow, that
Wow.
is beautiful.
Wait, come up close, please.
Got some real
Okay.
artistic talent here, folks.
Okay. Oh, you gotta show me. I didn't see.
And close and
Let me focus on it. Focus.
How did your arms turn purple?
Wow, that's really cool. Okay, baby, how did yours turn out?
me. Blue one.
Wow.
Oh, man, that's fine.
Okay, girls, is there anything you want to say to your subscribers?
Subscribe the like button and ring the bell so you know when a new video uploads.
And thanks to Auntie Patricia, right, for helping?
Yeah.
Thank you for having me. It was fun. Yay!
Okay, say bye.
Wait. If you didn't hear what she came to Buzzy Bee, she came to Buzzy Bee.
Yep,
If
This
you
is
skip
video
that
number
part.
2 for me.
yep. Fiona, is there anything you want to say?
Whoa.
Oh my goodness.
Okay.
Bye.
Tegan, is there anything you want to say to your subscribers?
Dab.
You're not Tegan.
Dab.
This is Tegan.
Dab.
Tegan.
Dab.
Tegan, you can defend yourself, huh?
Bye.